आज आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनच्या ॲप्लिकेशनवर आधारित उदाहरण बघणार आहोत. दिलेले उदाहरण लिहून घ्या. ए मॅन borrows Rs 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of Rs 1,360 in 12 monthly installment, each installment being less than the preceding one by Rs 40. Find the amount of first and last installment. विद्यार्थी मित्र, इथं प्रश्न लिहून घेतल्यावर तुम्हाला कळत असणार किती बारो केले अमाऊंट. आफ्टर दॅट ही पेड इंटरेस्ट and how many months, and difference between the two consecutive numbers. Okay, let's solution. The amount to be repaid, total amount plus interest. This amount is that he has borrowed, and on amount there are some interest, so that person must be repaid total Rs 9,360 rupee. The total number of installment is equal to 12, that is 12 months, you know. Therefore n is equal to 12, that is Sn, sum of nth term is equal to S12. S12 is equal to Rs 9,360. We know that installment is Rs 40 less than the preceding one, that is difference between the two consecutive number is 40. Therefore this type of example is an AP. Therefore D is equal to minus 40, less है, Rs 40 is less, therefore D is equal to minus 40. This is an AP. Then we know the formula sum of n term, n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in another bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D bracket complete, that is formula. Then we can substitute the value of n, Sn, a, D. We get, look here, 9,360 is equal to 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. Okay, L1, and D is equal to minus 40, and 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Beside this, all students must write down the example. 9,360 is equal to 6 into bracket twice a minus 440 bracket complete, interchanging the sides. Twice a minus 440 is equal to 9,360 upon 6. Here is 6, it comes here. By dividing we get twice a minus 440 is equal to 1,560. By interchange, minus 440 comes here plus 440. Okay, therefore twice a is equal to 2,000 and a is equal to 1,000. That is the last installment Tn. Last installment is 1,000. Okay, no sorry, first installment is a is equal to 1,000 Rs, and then we find last installment Tn. We know formula of Tn. Last term a plus n minus 1 in one bracket into D. We know D, we know a, and n. N is equal to 12, you know. Putting the value, that is substituting the value, we can get like this. 1,000 plus 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 and minus 40. Okay, by multiplying 1000 minus 440, that is subtracting we get 560. That is the last in the installment. The first installment is Rs 1000 and last installment is 560. All students must write down beside this. We can take another example. It is on application on AP. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of third and fourth term is 14. That consecutive number, we can suppose the first consecutive terms in APV A minus D, A plus D and A plus twice D. Okay, from given condition, that is first condition, sum is 12. All this number sum is 12. Then we can write this A minus D plus A minus D plus A plus twice D is equal to 12. That is by first condition. Sum of all consecutive terms is 12. Yes. Then A, there is 4A plus 2D is equal to 12. By dividing 2 we get equation first. From second condition, what is the second condition? Sum of third and fourth term is 14. You know? Yes, we can write this. From condition 2, sum of third and fourth is equal to 14. Here is 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. This equation number 2. Now we can solve by simultaneous equation. When we are going to solve simultaneous equation, you can know all the things. Coefficient, plus minus sign. Here is coefficient equal, sign also equal. Therefore, there is a subtraction. Twice A equal. Therefore, we can subtract from 2 to 1. By subtracting, we get 2D is equal to 8. That is, D is equal to 4. D is difference. Okay. By substituting D4 in equation 1 or 2, we can get value of A. A, that is first term. Here 2A plus 4 is equal to 6. That is 2A is equal to 6 minus 4. A is equal to 1. That is first term. First term we can find out by formula. A is equal to 1, D is equal to 4. First term is equal to A minus D. Putting value of A and D, we can get first term. That is, first term is minus 3. Second term, we know second term find already 1. Third term A plus D. Putting value of A and D, we can get third term 5. And fourth term is equal to A plus twice D. Putting value of A and D, we can get fourth term. Okay. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Okay. The 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and